Hello everyone. So let us start with the last section of this 2023 question paper. So if you are not done with the A to D sections, then I am going to share the link of A to D section in the description box, so you can check those videos also. So question number 34, the school has asked their state manager, Mr. Rahul, to maintain the data of all the labs in a table lab. Rahul has created a table and entered data of 5 labs. So here we have 5 labs. Lab 001, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a lab table, right? Lab table, and total 5 fields are there, right? So based on the data given above, answer the following questions. Identify the columns which can be considered as candidate key. So candidate keys are the candidates for the primary key, right? So where the values are not repeating. So well, in charts, so you could see the value is repeating, the daisy value is increasing, repeating, capacity is also 20 is increasing, this floor values are also increasing. So lab number and lab name, both are possible to have the candidate keys, right? Now write the degrees and the cardinality of the table. So 5 columns and 5 rows are there. So this is the easiest question, I think. So whatever you are considering, the rows or the column, both are same only. So we have the 5 degree and 5 cardinality, okay? Write the statements to insert a new row with appropriate data. So data, if you want to insert a new row, so it should have the lab number, lab name, in charge, capacity, and the flow, right? So insert command will be used to insert a row. So insert into and the table name. So table name is lab, right? So insert into table and then table name. This table is optional only, right? If you want to enter, then you can write, otherwise you can ignore also. And the values are, these are the values, right? Any value like L006 subject, you can lab name science lab, then Megha, then capacity, and then the floor, on which floor it is. Write the degrees and the cardinality of the table. So this is done only. This is also done. Increase the capacity of all the labs by 10 students which are on first floor, okay? So what you will write, you need to update the table, and the table name is lab. So update table, table name, and set capacity, you have to increase it by 10 students. So capacity is equal to capacity plus 10, and where the condition is floor. So floor is floor only, floor is equal to I, right? So this is the answer for the B part of this third one. Now OR part is there. Write the statements to add a constraint primary key to the column lab number in the table. So well, this one we can do with the help of alter if you want to add or modify. So we have alter table, and the table name is the same only, lab. Okay, the add what you want to add, a primary key. So primary key, on which column or field you want to add it, it is lab number. So lab number, right? Delete the table lab. So drop table, table name, or drop table, right? So next we have the 35. Shreyas is a programmer who has recently been given a task to write a user-defined function named write_bin to create a binary file called cust_file.dat containing customer information, customer number CNO, customer name, quantity, price, and the amount. The function accepts customer name, number, name, quantity, price. So less if the quantity entered is less than 10, okay? Otherwise, the function calculate the amount as price into quantity and then write the record in the form of a list in the binary file, okay? So the file is binary only. Import pickle, for binary file you have to import pickle module. Then we have the def function, binary file is equal to statement 1. So what is that? You have to open, you are opening a file, binary file here. So you will write open. Okay, the name of the object is already written, is equal to open, and the name of the file is, it is cust_file.dat. So cust_file.dat, and in which mode you are going to open it? Append mode, right? So append binary. In case of binary file, it is append binary, right? Now this is done only. Now we have whiles, customer number, name, quantity, price we are entering, and if the condition is with respect to quantity, right? So you need to check the value for the quantity. So it is QTY. So if QTY is less than 10, so QTY is less than 10, here it is given, QTY is less than 10. So this is done. Then quantity is less than 10, cannot be saved, else you are calculating the amount and then storing all the values in C details. And then we have a statement 3. here. So see details, what you will write here. So you need to dump it now with the help of pickle module. So pickle.dump C details, because the values are inside the list name is C details only, and in the binary file object. So it is bin underscore file here only. Okay, binary file object bin file. Right now, if answer dot lower is equal to n, no hand, then you have to break it. So break, and then you will close this binary file, and then then you will call this function. Okay. So well, here only you check na, write the correct statement to open a file customer. So this is the correct one to open a file. Which statement should sales fill in statement 2 to check whether the quantity is less than 10. Okay, so this is the quantity variable you should be clear with. So quantity is less than 10. Okay, then which statement should Shreyas fill in statement 3 to write data in the binary file, and in statement 4 to stop further processing. So statement 3 is to enter the data into the binary file. So it is pickle.dump C underscore detail comma bin underscore file, right? Now in statement 4 you have to stop it. So break is going to help you to stop it. Okay, further processing if the user doesn't wish to enter more records. So you want to stop it. Stop is break statement, which is a jump statement. Now option for part 3 only. So what should Shreyas fill in statement 5 to close the file, binary file. So binary file object is bin underscore file, right? So you have to close it. So bin underscore file dot close, right? And statement 6 is to call the function. So what is the name of the function? You can invoke it with the help of its name only. And if it is a parameterized function, then you have to pass the parameter also. But here write underscore bin is without any parameter. So just the name itself is more than enough. So okay, so this is the invoke statement, write underscore bin, and then the parenthesis, right? So that's all. We finished actually 2023 question paper here, and we are done with all the 5 sections. So if you have any doubt, please don't forget to write it in the comment box. Okay, and if you like the video, if you understood everything, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and to share it with your friends. Thank you so much.